Okay, this is the last part of our notes for today. So we're going to write equations for the following. So I'll write this as we go through it together. So A, y varies inversely with x. So y, and every one of these equations should have an a in it. Since it's inverse, the a is on top or in the numerator. So inversely with x. So that's our model that I gave you in your notes to start. B, z varies jointly with x, y, and r. So z comes first. Z varies jointly. That's a times a bunch of other variables. And this time we have x, y, and r. X, y, r. C, y varies inversely with the square of x. So y equals, inverse has the a in the numerator, and the square of x would be the square root of x. Oh, I'm sorry, the square, it would say square root, I apologize. So the square of x would actually be x squared, not, it would say square root. So it should say y equals a over x squared. Square of x would be x squared. Square root of x would be what I wrote at first. D, z varies directly with y and inversely with x. So remember, every one of these should have an a in it. So z, that comes first, varies directly, so a times y, but also inversely with x, so we would divide that by x. Okay, in the last example, x varies jointly with t and r and inversely with s. So x equals, again, you got to have that a, jointly with t and r. So put t and r next to the a, but inversely with s, that would go on the bottom. Okay? So again, if you have any questions with any of these notes, then that's what you will message me either at my email or on Google Classroom in the comments section. So these are the last two I want you to try. X varies inversely with y and directly with w. P varies jointly with q and r and inversely with s. So pause this and try those two. Okay, so x varies inversely, so the a is on top of the y, but then directly with w, so the w is actually going to go on the top next to the a. And p varies jointly with q and r and inversely with s, so p varies jointly, so a times q and r, but inversely with s. Okay, hopefully you were successful with all that. So please look at what I've put on Google Classroom as your assignment. It should be a copy of this page, and I took a picture and I uploaded it for you. So you're going to do the odds 3 through 19, 25 through 29, and then there's another picture where you're going to try to do the 31, 32, 33. So you will try those, and then tomorrow as your bell ringer, I will have a Google form in which a few of these will be selected, and you will enter your answers, and then I will check for understanding before we move on to something else. All right, thanks. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.